Okay, Dallas, you ready to make some cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Tell me what everything is, what you got over here. What's that? That's salt?
Yeah.
That's right. What's that?
Eggs.
Eggs. How many eggs are there?
2, 3.
2. Count them. 1, 2. 2 eggs. What else you got? Right here? Butter? Okay.
Butter.
That's right. And you have to have baking soda?
Soda.
Baking soda.
What's this?
What is it? You tell me what that is. Almond
Almond.
extract.
Extract.
That's right. Phenomenal.
Banana.
And baking powder.
Baking powder.
That's right. Set it down. And we're going to use some vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah, you got to say the word.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
That's right. Extraordinary. Say extraordinary. All right, and here's your flour, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we're going to stop this and get it ready. Ready? Alexa,
That's him.
play my likes.
But the rice.
She's not listening to us. Alexa, play my likes.
Shuffling the playlist My Likes and similar tracks on Amazon Music.
Okay, so get your eggs. What you going to do first?
What is?
Okay, do you remember how? You don't go too crazy with it. Remember, just do it soft. I'm going to show you one time and only one time. You ready? Yeah. Hold on, let me kind of shrink this down. Look, watch. You see that crack? All right. Hey. Just open it up. Just open it up. You don't want all the shells in it. There you go. Put it right here. Oh, you got the shells in it. Uh-oh. We got to do a cleanup on aisle 9. Go ahead. All right. You did that. What you got to do?
On my hand.
That's right. You keep them clean. That's it. Keep washing them. Excellent. Say excellent. Okay, what is this? Flour. Okay, how many do we do? 2.5 cups? That's right. So let's go ahead and put it in. Excellent. You thought it was sugar, didn't you? Okay, is this 2?
Yeah.
Okay, dump it in. There you go. All right, excellent. Oh, you're going to taste it again. You're so crazy, boy. Okay, so what do you got? Salt. You tasted it, didn't you? That's salt, isn't it? Why are you drooling? Put the salt in there. What is this?
Cookie powder.
Okay, we need 2 teaspoons of that. Put it in there. That's 1. And then we're going to get 1 more. And that will make 2. Put it in there. Here you go. Oi, pay attention. Put it in there. You don't want to taste that because that'll probably make you sick. All right, excellent. Say excellent. We have 2 sticks of butter. I put 1 in. You put the other, okay? Don't squeeze it. Hold it like this. Hold it like I've got it. Hold it like I got it. Pinch it. No, baby. Hold it right here. Just let it drop. Just let it drop. There you go. Excellent. Excellent. You want to taste the butter? I like that you taste things. Alrighty. What are we putting in next?
You the one, I do one.
Okay, cool. You do the big one, I'll do the little one. Go ahead. That's sugar, right?
Yeah.
And it's 1 cup. To put it in there. Save some for the cookies. Do it low. Put it low. You're going to drop it everywhere. Ah. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. All right. I'm going to put mine in, okay? All right. What's next? Grandma got to stir it up, right? Because you're not allowed to mess with mixers, right? And we're going to have any sugar left? Say excellent. Oh, my God. Now, you stay away from this, okay? You stay right there. And I'm going to mix it up. Say excellent. What's next? Have you been eating my butter and sugar? What's in your mouth? All right, dump the eggs in. All right, excellent. What? Excellent. Yes. Okay, now we're not. Raw eggs to make you sick. Oh, that looks really good. Give me the extract.
This?
No, the vanilla extract.
This?
What'd you say?
Wait.
Did you say, oh, I feel good?
No.
So what are we putting in next? What is this? What is this? Extract. Say almond extract. Okay. Say excellent.
Excellent.
Say I feel good. Ooh. Say ooh. Ooh. You did it wrong. Hey. Ooh. No, you did. Don't need to shake it. What'd you say? Ah, smell good. Smell it. Smell it. Okay. This is how you do it, booby. Look. This is going to be so good. Oh, my God. You know what we forgot to do? We forgot to turn the oven on. So I turn the oven on, right? See how it's coming? Look. That's how it's supposed to look. Huh? That's it. You okay? You okay? You okay, honey? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Don't play with me, little one. Don't play with me, little one. Ahoo! Oh, that's looking righteous. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Baby. 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 Okay, let's get the film going again. Okay, let's get this on the cookie sheet. You keep stirring it. I'm going to get the cookie sheet, okay? Here's our cookie sheet bouquet. All right, now, let's see here. What we're going to do, here, you take the spoon. Okay, hold on. Let me get it stirred up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. There, okay. Yum. That's good. Wait. I got to show you how to do it. Hold on. All right. Now, what we going to do? No, don't eat no more. Don't eat no more. All right. Wait, you're going crazy. Hold on a minute. Look, you got to do it the right way. Watch. Boom. Just like that. Wait. Just like that. Push it down. Look, see how my finger is? Push it down. Go ahead. It's okay. You're using your whole hand. Just your finger. See? It's real easy. Just use your finger. They're going to be some ugly cookie, but they're going to taste so good. All right. Hold on. Do it one more time. And we're going to put the rest away until these are cooked. Okay? All right. Okay, Dancing. Come on. Get it, baby. You got your coffee?
Yeah.
Let me see it. All right. Okay, really quick because we got limited time. There's the cookies. Try the cookie, see if that tastes good. Is it good? All right, get you some coffee. It already stirred up good. Get you some coffee. Woo! Let's dance. Job well done. Get it, baby. Get it, darling.